At least 5. You could be more. Don't hesitate. Don't worry. I just want to have an idea for you how much to pick. Look, come here.
Yeah.
There's a little small egg there. Bird.
Oh wow!
The bird net. Can you see the little tiny eggs in there?
Cute.
We try to make this fence to remind ourselves that we take care of the baby bird. Look like an apple. Some people call them apple mango. Anyone want to try?
Sure. Yeah.
Yes,
Everything natural grow. Oh my God, smells so good. Smell. I know it's silly, but smell.
Oh no, that was good.
It's different, eh? Smell nice.
Wish these would just grow in my garden.
Fragrant.
Yeah.
We have plenty. Okay, so this one, when it's more ripe, is sweeter. Look. This one is more ripe, even sweeter. This is very big one. So we have different variety here. Hope you can try.
Mango cutting.
Whoops. No, I have more. I have more. Okay, can you take it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it too sour still?
It's good.
Sorry.
Oh,
Thank you.
Okay.
Delicious.
Ah!
I can't grip it. Borderline makes me want to believe in religion. So good.
It's slippery.
I think I almost weep every time I go here.
So we have different variety in the garden. We have nam dok mai. This one we call talap nak. Yeah. Can you get it?
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you get it?
Be careful.
Grab it quick.
This is so good.
So good.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, and
The fruit
juicy.
is so much better.
Great. Look at this right.
Lekker.
So beautiful. I love Siam tulip.